A lot of the myths we have in insurance is that it is expensive, and a lot have not taken thought into getting more information and education on the same. For instance, we have a plan of 1,500, actually worked backwards. That is like 50 bob a day. 50 bob. That is an amount you can actually sacrifice your lunch. Maybe instead of going to a high-end place, you sacrifice some amount and you can comfortably set aside 50 shillings. For instance, like if I would say our parents never really had insurance plans and they survived on loans to educate us. But right now, education plans are getting into place and people are realizing that I can actually save in such a plan and it can help me in the future. For smokers and terminally ill people, yes, we actually accept them for insurance, but with conditions. In this sense, if you're a smoker, we will add on to your age from 5 to 7 years when it comes to rating. And anytime you're highly rated, the premium you would have paid, say for instance, you're 23 years, and then we add a 7-year age bracket, that means we will rate you as a 30-year-old. When you're younger, you would pay less, but now you can imagine you're being rated at 30 because you're a smoker, but we will accept you. Same case for terminally ill. I'll give an example of cancer. You will go for a medical requirement under our cost. Yes, we'll embrace you, but we will load the premium. Also, some of the benefits that you would enjoy, we would probably give you a plan that doesn't have the protection side. Remember, in insurance, we have a saving and a protection element. So we will give you a product that is mainly on savings plan. We have clients who have come out of such situations and they're on remission. And I personally have a case where you come in and we have paid the claim, but then once you're out of the condition, we have embraced you again. Only that you will not get a benefit of a critical illness because you're in remission. But yes, they are all acceptable. Insurance, depending on which kind of insurance, I'll give an example on an individual medical cover. There is normally a 30-day waiting period. Unlike if you get it from your employer, we call it a corporate medical, there is no waiting period. For a life and saving cover, in case of an accident and you have already started the cover, it pays immediately because you never know when the accident will occur. But when it is a natural cause, we give a waiting period of from 6 to 12 months. So you can stay alive for that period before a claim of a natural cause. Because we've also realized there was a bit of fraud in this area where someone wants insurance to benefit them, but then we have the indemnity clause where insurance is supposed to restore you back to your original position. Insurance does not cover everything, but it covers a bigger percentage of everything. I'll give an example of a motor vehicle cover where you have taken a comprehensive cover only and an accident occurs and maybe you are to blame. There is an element of excess that comes in. And when you have taken an excess protector, then you will not have to contribute any extra amount once your vehicle goes for repair. So when you have an excess protector, then yes, you would say that you're fully covered. But then again, when we have all risk in the home insurance cover, where you have insured things like your computer, your phone, and you have covered it, when it comes to repaying the amount, because of the value that has depreciated over time, you may not get a full refund when it comes to compensating it. So yes, it covers a bigger percentage and it's better off than not having it, but it doesn't cover everything.